The is an evolutionary truck. Small changes this year reflect GMC's satisfied customer base and the wisdom to keep a good thing going. Many automakers could take a lesson here. The current generation GMC Sierra 1500 and its Chevrolet XA0 cousin were introduced for the 2014 model year as an entirely new platform. Apart from the introduction of the 8-speed automatic transmission in 2015 and a mostly cosmetic mid-cycle refresh in 2016, the Sierra has stayed relatively unchanged since 2014. Denali trim is now available across GMC's entire product line, and GMC considers Denali more of a luxury sub-brand than a trim level. GMC has always been a premium truck brand, and about half of all GMC sales are Denali-level vehicles. The market has responded well to the Sierra Denali 1500 this year. October Sierra sales are up by 25% compared to the same month last year, and the Sierra is solidly positioned as the fourth most popular full-size in America. The typical Sierra Denali buyer is looking for bold exterior design, top-grade interior luxury and superior mechanical capability all put together in a premium truck. Not much has changed for the 2018 model year. Two new colors were added to the Sierra palette: Quicksilver Metallic and Red Quartz Tint Coat. XA0 The tire pressure monitoring system was upgraded to add a feature to display a message informing the driver when a tire needs to be filled. The Denali edition is the top trim of any GMC vehicle, and when you select Denali, you're already getting the bulk of the desirable features and add-ons from the basic GMC vehicle, plus a few features unique to Denali. When you start with the Denali 1500, you avoid the base 4.3-liter V6 engine and go straight to the 5.3-liter V8. You have your choice of a short 69-33-inch bed or the longer 78-87-inch bed. You also get the full 4-door crew cab and your choice of 2WD or 4WD. What you can do is upgrade the Denali trim with your choice of 3 add-on packages. First, the things you really want are in the Denali Ultimate package, available only on 4WD models. This package includes the 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine with 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, an integrated trailer brake controller, a power sunroof, active noise cancellation system, automatic running boards, chrome tow hooks, and 22-inch paint and chrome wheels. The